Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, see how to. Click on the subscribe button below and also click on the bell beside this. This will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Ajere abojújọjọ òkè lẹ́yìn ìmọ̀ràn ọ̀táyé sọ bí igbá ọmọ ládé ọmọ ìbírò ọmọ ajóńgbòdo ọmọ òsùnmẹ́rù tí ìkùn ọmọ ìbí ọlá tí ń wá ọmọ ayíkí tí ogun tí rí ogun mọ̀rẹ̀ ìjànà bí oníròkọ àbúrò ẹ̀ tí ọmọ jẹ́gbì ó lọ rè gbòde ọmọ lùsì ọmọ arúgbó ilé gbòde àbíkà lọ́rùn ọmọ ọ̀fọ́sẹ́fọ́sọ́ kọ́ mẹ́lòmíì fẹ́rùfọ̀ ọmọ ọ̀kẹ́mọ́rí tìkọ̀ àyà sílẹ̀ ọmọ afíjọ lọ́jà mo lè dènà méjì ọmọ afíjọ lọ́jà mo rè kó ní òwú wáyé oore náà ké mọ́ mẹ́lòmíràn ọ̀nà náà ò mọ́ níria ọmọ ẹ̀kú sùbírádé pòǹkólà apèsòdì gbèmí ó dàbí ọ̀rọ̀ láòfin ọ̀nìlàkùsà yẹ́ẹ̀sì bọ́ọ̀ ni mi wí o òkè àsítílẹ̀gùn mo ròkè ìtìlẹ̀ ọ̀jájá mo míròdì tí gbọ́ ti jù akérìírí àyídí náà ó wá di ilé lómìnira ní àti tó kọ àyísí bí ọmọ dodo bíi dẹ ọmọ ayíkí tí ọba ìtìlẹ̀ ọba nímọ̀ rẹ̀ kábíyèsí ọba díyẹyẹ ní ìtàn ọba tó ń gbé àṣà àti ìṣẹ̀ṣe ilẹ̀ Yorùbá lárugẹ mo sáré pápá yẹlẹ́nkú mo wá rìn níbẹ̀bí ọ̀nà yẹlẹ́nkú mo gbá lọ sí Ìkòyí ẹ̀sọ́ ọmọ agbọ̀n yìí ọmọ agbọ̀n tí òrìkúsá ẹlẹ́gbàá mo ní ìyá àfin tó ogun wọn ní kí ló dé mo ní mo wá láti ilẹ̀ Ifẹ̀ òdáyé wọn ní kí n kí ọba aládé gidigidi wọn ló ṣiṣẹ́ takuntakun nílẹ̀ Ifẹ̀ o kábíyèsí ọba aládé o ọba gbogbo àgbáńlá ayé ló jẹ́ ìsọba ìlú kan rárá ọba àgbáńlá ayé tó ń pè àgbáyé ránníṣẹ́ olórí ọba aládé tó jọba lórí gbogbo ilẹ̀ ìbílẹ̀ gbogbo mùtúmùwà ẹ ò ní lùgbàdì àìsàn tọmọtọmọ gbogbo ládéládé adé apẹ́ lórí bàtà apẹ́ lẹ́sẹ̀ ìyálóde ìyálájé ẹ ò ní lùgbàdì àìsàn láyé gbogbo tẹ́ ẹ bá dáwọ́lé ni yóò mọ yọrí sí rere olórí ọba aládé olórí káwálé o wípélé ti yá ọmọ ilẹ̀ Oòduà ilé tó wáyà yìí tá a wá wálé ẹ wò ilé òní ilé wa ọ̀nà òní náà wá o ìyá wa ẹ ò ní lùgbàdì àìsàn láyé bàbá wa ẹ ò ní pàdánù èmi làkàn fí ọ̀pìn ọmọ wọn lóhùn èmi ló mọ̀ wá jímọ̀sì ọmọ rẹ̀ mọ́ta yìí èmi lọ́mọ kàn sílẹ̀ kàn sí òbí ọmọ kàn sí jẹ́jẹ́ torúkọ ní òun ti lábẹ́rẹ́ tọ́ èmi lọ́mọ àtẹ́wọ́ gbadé ọmọ àfihàn gbòye bàbá wa kábíyèsí ọ̀nìrìsà ìgbà ọdún kan ni kájọ pẹ́ lórí o kí bàtà ó pẹ́ lẹ́sẹ̀ mo jíṣẹ́ tí gbogbo ilé rán mi akànfẹ́ akéwì àgbáyé mo fàsìkò yìí sọ gbogbo dúníyàn pé ó dìgbà.
ẹ̀jẹ̀ máa bọ̀ akéwì tálẹ́ǹtì tiẹ̀ láti kékeré ni wọ́n ti kéwì ọba sìsà fẹ́ ná ẹ lówó òde tí ń tètè lọ ó má wàá dàbí pé bí mo ṣe sáré bàbá yìí ó dàbọ̀ àbọ̀lódà wọ́n tún ní kó gba ṣé wàá tó wọn lówó ẹ̀ rí wọn lẹ́yìn ètò kábíyèsí mọ́mì by special request àwọn tọkọtìyàwó ìwà wa kọrin fún yín sí short ewì ẹjẹjọ àfọwọ́ ní àtẹwọ́ ìjẹrin nìyàwó yẹn bímọ ìjẹrin nìyàwó ìbímọ óyá ìwọ lẹ́fẹ́ lò ṣé wọ́n bá wọn wá.
Ìbà Ọlọ́run tó dá nǹkan méjì tí ò pé mẹ́ta tí ò dẹ̀ lè pé mẹ́ta láéláé. Ó dákọ, ó dábo. Lẹ́yìn akọ àti abo kò sí nǹkan míì mọ́. Ìbà Ọlọ́run tó dá nǹkan mẹ́ta tí ò pé mẹ́rin tí ò sì lè pé mẹ́rin láéláé. Ó dọ́lọ́run bàbá, ó dọ́lọ́run ọmọ, ó dọ́lọ́run ẹ̀mí mímọ́. Ó dọ́gba òwúrọ̀, ìgbà ọ̀sán, ìgbà àṣálẹ́. Àwọn yẹn ò lè pé mẹ́rin láéláé. Ìbà Ọlọ́run tó dá nǹkan mẹ́rin tí ò pé márùn tí ò sì ní pé márùn láéláé. Ó dórígun mẹ́rẹ̀ẹ̀rin àgbáyé. Ó wá fàwọn áńgẹ́lì mẹ́rin ṣọ́bẹ̀ áńgẹ́lì kọ̀ọ̀kan fórígun kọ̀ọ̀kan. Orígun mẹ́rẹ̀ẹ̀rin àgbáyé.
Olóyè arábìnrin Fọlákẹ́ Ṣọ́lábẹ̀ láti sọ̀rọ̀ lórúkọ bàbá tó gbàgbé yẹn. Please, all the awards wait to be said.
Please want all the awardees to please move to the front, please. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ gbogbo àwọn tí a gbà ní ẹgbẹ́ náà fún síwájú. wá síwájú pẹ̀lú àmì ẹ̀yà wa láti wá bá àpá àwọn fọ́tò. Ẹjọ́ gbogbo àwọn tí a gbà ní ilé ká lọ sí iwájú.
Kábíyèsí. Kábíyèsí. Kábíyèsí ọ̀dẹ́gbẹ́ sẹ́kọ̀rọ̀. Màá bẹ̀bẹ̀ pé ẹgbẹ́ kìí sọ Yorùbá díẹ̀ nílẹ̀ sí òyìnbó dé. Mo fẹ́ gbàṣẹ lọ́wọ́ kábíyèsí. Kábíyèsí mo dúpẹ́. I hardly know where to start. The event of today has been so phenomenal that I'm so emotionally charged that all I can say is that on behalf of all the awardees, I would like to say a huge thank you to Kabiyesi. God has elevated Kabiyesi to be the Ooni of Ife. In that context, he still is determined to elevate and decorate other people. May God continue to decorate you and elevate Kabiyesi. Before I go on, I stand before you as a representative of the female gender. And the lady and her husband, she had a baby 4 days ago, I was told. It shows you the strength of character of women. If she can have a baby 4 days ago and to come here today to sing as she did. May God continue to bless her and her baby.
Amen.
Kabiyesi, Nigeria is having a turbulent period. But I want to very humbly extend tremendous appreciation and gratitude to Kabiyesi. I want to extend huge gratitude for the way that you're trying in your own special way to heal this country. I will identify your desire to see that all the Obas are united and that they get on very well. I think the institution of Obaship must be protected. I think it's the only institution now that is respected, particularly when you talk about Kabiyesi, the Ooni of Ife. My voice is a bit hoarse because I have a cold. But you know, at 87, if I can talk like that, I thank my God. Kabiyesi, the Ooni of Ife, in 1981, decorated me with the title of Yeye Mufi of Ife. He said it there when I was decorated by the Supreme Court as the first female senior queen of Nigeria. And it has always been a challenge for me to make sure that in that elevated position, I must continue to strive for the best and to pursue excellence. Nigeria now, because of federal character in the Constitution, we are sacrificing excellence on the altar of federal character. I speak about it in all my lectures. But Kabiyesi, I salute you because in your unique position, you're looking after, I've already identified what your Kabiyesi is doing about the unity of the others and the spectacular position of the institution of Oba. Kabiyesi has also been interested in farming and giving young people employment. I salute you. And I want to make a plea that KBC will continue to be in the forefront of the formation of this country. The Yoruba language is such a beautiful language, so philosophical, so poetic, and so true. Please, the educational authorities some years ago did Nigeria a great disaster when they took history out of the curriculum, Yoruba out of the curriculum. KBC, I plead, please be in the forefront of making sure that Yoruba language and the history of this country are restored to the curriculum of Nigeria. Talking about the language of Yoruba, with the greatest respect, I grew up to know about Eba, Ilesha. Now, the English word land is being attached to those Yoruba names. I respectfully submit before KBC that we want to discuss, go into a conversation. Do we really need to add land to Yoruba names of cities and towns? And I think that if we want to purify the language, we shouldn't be attaching English words to names of cities and towns. I respectfully plead with KBC to please be a leader in this contest. Then, KBC, I know that you are very busy, and I pray that God will continue to empower you. God will continue to strengthen you. Amen. And I would like to say how wonderful it has been to wait for you for 3 hours. But I was very, very comfortable where I was. And I say that new buildings are being constructed. May you live to enjoy all the fine and special additions to the Ooni of Ife, both in what you say and what you do. KBC, I am so overwhelmed about the way you have remembered my father. He was a cerebral genius. I can never forget what you have done for the Alabukun family. My father was born in Ikorodu, but at 14 years of age, he left and went to Alabukun. That was where he made his name and his fame. He fabricated about 150 medications, but now only the Alabukun powder has survived him. But we thank God for that. And KBC, recently, and you forgive me if I have to say this, a Canada-based Nigerian lawyer, Dr. Adebola Abewo, PhD, wrote to me early this year. It was because of the prayer that you offered me as to making me known to the world that I'm going to say this. He told me that he was going to start an annual international conference to celebrate women who have shattered the glass ceilings. And he has chosen the only first female Prime Minister of Canada, and also has chosen me as the secretary. I don't know what happened, but the letter was sent by courier to KBC, but I know that there are many people dealing with the registry and all that. Yes, KBC. I'm going to make sure that information will relate to Kabiyesi permission.
When is the event?
The event is on Wednesday, this coming Wednesday, Lagos, December 11th, at the Civic Center in Lagos. The Prime Minister of Canada, the First Lady, will be unable to come, but the inaugural meeting, the inaugural international conference, yes, the inaugural international conference celebrating me, and then next year she will be celebrated in Canada. It's going to be annually, 1 year in Canada, 1 year in Nigeria. So I will make sure, because I respectfully apply to Kabiyesi to please send a representative. I will supply the particulars. I'm sorry that the courier letter was delivered here. I think they even told, I'm not sure whether Adewale Williams, he heard from the doctor, but I don't know whether he has been able to trace where the letter sent and delivered by courier last month. But in any event, Kabiyesi, I will make sure that information reaches Kabiyesi. Before I go, I will ask Adewale Williams to give me Kabiyesi to send me my email. I was so overtaken by the excitement of coming to see Kabiyesi. I forgot I was going to bring a letter of that event, but I will take email from Adewale. And so Kabiyesi will set that for. Tremendous joy if Kabiyesi should be represented at that event. Then all those who have been decorated like me, all I can say to you is that for you to merit being decorated by Kabiyesi should mean a lot to you, to make sure that you receive excellence, just as Kabiyesi has received excellence. And I will never forget today's event. I'm happy that Ambassador Yemi Farobi was here. I telephoned him. I said, if you like to accompany me to Ife, without any hesitation, he said, oh, yes, I will come. I thank you for coming. I thank you all for the tremendous reception that you have given us. And in the name of my father, Chief Jacob Shogwega, the blessed Jacob, otherwise known as Alabukun, I would like to present the packet of Alabukun to Kabiyesi.
Níbi tí alẹ́ ìgbówó àwọn tó bá ní ẹyẹ ẹ máa kọ̀ lókè láti ọmọ bàbá yẹn fọ́tò.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. Thanks.